Presenting the HP Laserjet Pro M126nw multifunction monochrome laser printer. The printer is ideal for offices and homes with high volume requirements of more than 300 prints per month at fast speeds. The printer uses Laserjet technology which provides fast prints at low cost. This multifunction printer can perform print, scan and copy functions. It can only print in black and white. Connect to this printer using a Wi-Fi network, USB or Ethernet cable. You can also directly print using HP ePrint or Apple AirPrint apps. The Wi-Fi Direct technology on this printer allows your Wi-Fi capable devices, for example smartphones, tablets or computers, to make a wireless network connection directly to your printer without using a wireless router or access point. You get a high print speed of up to 20 black and white pages per minute. This printer supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various print requirements. Save cost on your print requirements. Print using original HP toner at a cost of just 2 rupees for black and white prints. Compatible laser toner is the HP 88A Black Original Laserjet Toner cartridge. One cartridge comes free with this printer. The printer features a 2-line LCD text display which makes providing commands easy. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.